Son tus decisiones y no las condiciones las que definen tu destino. I grew up in this beautiful country called Peru. My childhood was infused with colors and amazing landscapes.
I'm Lorena Berghezan. I'm a woman of faith, a mother, a wife, y sobre todo también soy latina.
At the age of 22, I moved to the States to complete my degree in visual communications and media design. I have worked for an amazing company called Ho Chang Nation, where I coordinated American and Hispanic events and developed marketing strategies to bring revenue. I got the opportunity to work with amazing people and learn from their culture and develop my passion for digital marketing.
I love having a blend of cultures in my heart because that gives me the possibility of understanding people that are coming from different backgrounds and better ways to help them.
I design digital content and marketing strategies that transform lives, taking small businesses to the next level. I use industry trends and I define new ones to fascinate audiences and inspire them to work on their dreams.
As an immigrant, I know how hard it gets sometimes cuando tienes que aprender un nuevo idioma, una nueva cultura, esforzarte un montón para salir adelante. And as an American citizen, I'm here to help you.
I'm an inventor, a transformer, and a visionary, and I want to help people to transform their businesses, unifying American and Hispanic cultures with creativity, respect, and commitment by designing marketing content that will impress your audiences. Recuerda que si puedes soñarlo, puedes hacerlo. Check out what I can do on my website and let's get connected on Instagram.